Hello folks, Jay Austin once again from Woodworking Blues, coming to you from my garage. And the good news is maybe we'll soon have a proper workshop for you. As I showed you in my last video, my unboxing of my Dewalt 12 amp reciprocating saw, number DWE305. I have been using him and I kind of messed up. I cut some of the wood over here. I cut this guy down. He wasn't a pallet. He was he's a crate. And this is some really good wood. I found a construction site near me and they had some really good crates and pallets that were some fantastic wood. I've had opportunities to get free pallets before and I never liked them. The quality of the wood was bad. It was rotten or mildewed or even molded. This wood is pristine. Let me show you one over here real quick. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this is. This is pine. Look at it. I have no idea. Let me show that up there. There's a 3 by 3/8 by 1/3. I have no idea what the dimensions are, but look at this. And this is some pristine wood, guys. Okay, but back over here. My 8-year-old son on my camera, once again, doing a fine job, as always. So go ahead, let's go ahead, guys. I messed up and didn't get to show you the big wood I cut, the big nails I cut. He did fine, just take my word for it. You have to take my word for him this time. I'll probably put another one up just to prove he did good. But I'm gonna do a quick one on these little ones. This is pretty basic, small stuff. This is the pallet wood. Not bad though, it's rough, but it's still very good wood. So I got lucky, got a lot of free wood, and I'm real happy with it. So let's just do a couple of these, and we'll end it there. I got more wood than I did nails on that. It took so long. It usually doesn't take that long. It'll cut right through them like butter. But shorter, because I already bent and broke my other ones. That was mom leaving out of the machine. There you go. That's it, folks. Back over here real quick. What I did on this construction site run, my very first construction site run, I saw these pallets and I saw these crates. I had to have them because they were just such good wood. I went and asked permission, always ask permission. I used this guy here, my cordless Dewalt 6.5-inch 20-volt lithium-ion battery circular saw. Just got him recently, and I meant to do an unboxing and a demo on him, but I needed him quicker than I thought I would, so I broke him out for these guys. I was on the site and I was running out of time. I was running out of light. I was running out of daylight, so I had to make a decision. I lost a little wood by cutting them like this instead of separating them, but now I can get these out pretty easily and preserve this wood and use this wood. So very happy with that. Over here on this one, I got this one just today. He wasn't there when I went the first time or the second time. These are right here, guys. Look at this. These are 2 4x4s. Of course, they're about 3.5 by 3.5, but 4x4 treated. You see the green, that's the chemicals they put on them for ground contact. Treated. They're about 8 feet long. Got my 6x2s, which of course are 5.5 by 1.5. And I got a bunch more of these. I'm going to be using these with the new, as kind of a porch for the new workshop. So got those planned out. Still got to break it down a bit. But real happy with what I got and real just excited to start getting the shed. One more thing over here, guys. This is what I broke down and this is what I cut. These are the nails. These are the boards I cut with this guy with the reciprocating saw. And he cut through these nails. These are pretty much 16 penny nails, 2x4s, or even wider actually. And he went through it like hot butter, like a knife through hot butter. I wish I would have thought about videotaping that, but I was so excited to use that thing. I just got him. I just jumped out here and got it. Nice. This is interesting to me. Maybe you guys can tell me in the pallet business or in the crate business what this size is. But I've never had a board. I've never found a board this size. He's 3.5 by 1/2 inch. So what is that? Is this exclusive to pallets and crates, or is this some sort of new size I've never heard of? I was in construction for a little bit when I was younger. I never ran across anything like that. So you can see these are when I cut through them, some of the things, that's some of the nails and screws that are left in them. I mark it so I know where the metal is. When I go to use them and cut them, I'll know where they are. So, folks, that's my demo, my short little demo of my Dewalt Reciprocating 12 amp saw, reciprocating saw. And he did good. As you saw him on that little pallet over there, he cut through it like a hot knife through butter. So very happy with him. He's going to get a lot of use in my life, in my shop, and maybe I'll even show some more videos on him. I don't think I did him good on this one, but he's good to go. All right, folks, that's it. I'll stop rambling. Jay Olson from Woodworking Blues. Keep on woodworking.